Okay, so first job is you have to create your like start with the index page. Okay, first practical, name of that practical description, like implemented socket programming, a date of that, and keep one column as a signature that we'll see later on. And that's the mission date over there. That is the index. So when you submitting your second assignment, you can add on in that. Okay. So assignment two and the RMI program. Third one is web services. Then like VMware. Okay, like that way you can add on your list of the practicals over there. Once you finish that, okay. So that is a doc file. Okay, index page. Second thing is constraint is uh, execute that program. Okay, by like going through that program without execution, don't copy paste that. I don't like to see that kind of a thing. Okay, so please, as a MSc level, I'm expecting that execute your program, whatever the things. Okay, so regarding the layout over there, as you know, you have done your BSc over there. So top of that, your name, roll number, and your stream details, practical, a description of that, aim of that practical over there. You can write down, and then step by step. Okay, no need that screenshot of that like a NetBeans or something. Just simply file new project and like that will sufficient over there. Then second step, what we have to do, and then what we are exactly doing in that, creating a program. So our class server, our class, whatever the client class is there. Okay, that program you have to copy paste. Before that, as I told you, you are supposed to execute that. Okay, execution is more important. Okay, after that, a second program, second that program name, neat and clean over there. Then what are lines of code? You have to just copy paste from that NetBeans. Okay, after this, which program we have to run first? That steps, those are considered as the output. Step one, that is to run server program, then run client program, enter message from client side, get the output somewhere in the your server side, and then program will be terminated by writing or typing that by as a keyword. Then screenshot of that, no need of that entire screen. Okay, you can just capture that area. Okay, then by this you will understand your own, as well as a external also can be easily understand that. Okay, this is one of the screen of like a NetBeans over there. Okay, and just capture that area and paste over there. This is, let's say, you can call as server side output, and next to that somewhere here you can write down client side program output. Okay, and the top of that server output. Okay, something like this way you have to carry forward for the remaining practicals. So after doing this, what you can do actually, you save this as a PDF format. So save as and go for the PDF. Why PDF I like to see? Because like alignment might be changed and all. So better option is save it as a PDF. Okay, that will be a handy option. Let me save this and let's uh, save it on the desktop. Is it fine now? Okay, let me stop that PPT. Otherwise, there will be confusion. Stop this. So this PDF file is generated. So you can just go through that. Okay, the things are in the proper manner. Okay, and the second, the third, and the output in the proper way. Fine. Let me minimize or to close this window. Okay. Now let me do, getting all of you PDF बनाने तक तो PDF कैसे बनाना है आपको सबको मालूम है. Okay. Only thing is some of like what exactly we are expecting over there. Okay. Thank you. Now PDF is generated. Now you need to attach that. That is one of the like online में attach कैसे करना है in Google Classroom or how we'll go about that. Okay. So we'll go through that option now. यहाँ तक तो आपको भी पता है सब क्या करना है, PDF कैसे generate करना है. Now as a students view, you will get like a notification, okay, in your email that one of the assignment is shared by a faculty member, right? And somewhere in the streams list or the announcement will get that assignment over there. Okay, I'm showing with my son's classroom over there. So uh, let's say he shared one of the assignment with me. Okay, so similar way you will get the Vijay Salvi posted a new assignment, practical and that. So what you have to do, you have to click on this. So you will get that assignment here. Okay, whatever the description of that assignment will be written here, and whatever the file was created by you have to attach that. Okay, by using this your work option. Okay, so click on this uh, plus sign. Okay, create or add or create option. There are many options are there. You have to select file because we created that PDF file already. So that file we like to attach. So click on the file option, go by the browse option. Now this is what we was created already. So we'll select that file. Okay. So that file is attached here. And once you attach that, you have to just make sure that you're supposed to click on this turn in. Okay. Keeping or like uploading will not sufficient. It's just assigned there. You have to turn in to send to respect to subject teacher over there. So click on this turn in option. It's prompt you for the like your file will send over there. So just click on turn in once again, and then only that file getting submitted in Google Classroom. Okay. In case you feel that okay something goes wrong over there and you like to desubmit unsubmitted that, so you can able to do that also with the help of this unsubmit. So you can able to remove any time over there. Okay. Due date also it's going to be display. Okay. So if you go by your that practical, then it's uh, 4th January over there. Okay. So for time being, I'm having the next for this mock. It's a tomorrow submission is there. So you can unsubmit any time over there. Okay, if you feel that okay output नहीं attach किया नहीं तो no, like maybe some reason. Okay, and if you have any doubts over there, you can directly write it in private comment over there. So that like in respect to that practical, sir, like what is the use of that or some of the classes or the methods or the operations not executed, or maybe you are facing some problems related to that practical, that you can write down here. Okay, that all are the private comments. Okay, when you write in private comments, it's only between your teacher and you. Okay, and when you post it there in like a Google Classroom, it is going to be globally, like others, your friends also can be read that. So ideally I recommend it over there. Like in case if you have any doubts over there which are like if you like to share or something, so you can write in private comments in respect to that practical over there. Okay. Let me know this section from your side. Any doubts? Sample talk. Okay. Once again, you like to do that. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. We'll do that once again. Okay. But before that, at the teacher level, what will be like response of that? Let's say this is a like a teacher side. Okay, so as a teacher side, we'll get the list over there, those who are like let's say I like to check out how many of you submitted. So there will be a list over there. Okay, like assigned to two people. So one of the students, let's say submitted by me already, and for like still pending with assigned to one student and turned by one student, so total two students. So I can get the list here. Okay, like submitted by one of the students. Okay, and that file over there, see the file it's there. So I can go through this file. This is my as a teacher's interface I'm talking right now. ये interface teachers का. So teacher can be go through that, analyze your file whether the contents are fine, program is uh, perfectly there and executed in the proper manner. That all the things will be taken care of, and then based on that we'll assign the marks, or that is up to teachers, right? So like that way we'll have the record of that. In case if you're not able to like submit before on due date, okay, so your assignment will be marked as a late assignment. Okay, so don't follow that. Okay, try to finish it as early as possible and submit. Okay, if you are going late, that will be like your uh, file marks, okay, at the time of your practical examination will be based on this. Okay, so better way I like to tell you that actually submit before 1 or 2 days. That will be the ideal for you. Okay, so once again we'll see from students point of view. Okay, so we are doing that thing once again. I think some of you are already getting that. Okay, but let me revise once again. Okay, many of you done that. Okay, now let's see once again students to students interface. Let me close this. So this is students interface. Let's assume that you will get, as I told you, that some of the things are like global. Okay, so if you put it here, that is going to be like for all. Okay, so that's up to you if you like to have a conversion with your teachers. Okay, and like either you can use WhatsApp. Okay, that is one of the medium. You can put it in the group if you are having the like a which is you like to share with your other friends and all. Okay, or if you need to communicate privately, then you can have so many options. Directly you can communicate with him, or you can have private chat also there, right? So it's up to you. So we'll go by that assignment once again. Let's say one of the assignment is assigned to you as a student, or let's say assigned to me right now as a student over there. So what I have to do, I have to click on over here. Let me unsubmit that previous one. So unsubmit it. So automatically that will be removed from that. Like if you go here and refresh your page, we'll get it assigned to two, and like that all things are going to assign to two. No one is submitted over there, so I can able to have the record of that. So okay, so this is the first screen what you will get it. You have to just click on add file option, browse option. This is very handy, like we used to this kind of the interfaces already. Okay, the previous one also there. So let me remove that. Okay, and remember that after doing this attachment, you have to do this turn in. कोई students कैसे करते हैं, like okay assign हो गया and leaving this. Okay, it means that you keep that file there. Okay, somewhere on the desk. Okay, but not hand over to that teacher over there, assuming that teacher will be collecting that. Okay, it should not be this. Okay, you keep it in your mind that okay you have to turn in. That is the most important thing. ये तो आपने सोचा कि हाँ दे दिया मैंने, लेकिन टीचर को मिला ही नहीं अभी तक, right? So you kept that thing in your bag or somewhere, thinking that okay you will submit later on, something like that way. Okay, so turn in is the most important thing. Okay, that's why this small session to understand that. Once you turn in, then only thing that file will be submitted or attached to that respective teacher. Teachers can be also communicated over there, additional things, okay, in response to this private comments, right? Will get you will get some response from the teachers in respect to that practical or something. So let me know from your side, getting all of you.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
those are using mobile phones, so for them also this process is
Uh,
same.
yeah, process is same, but like for them actually you can use run online compilers are there actually. Like in that case, you cannot able to use NetBeans over there. You have to use random. online Java compilers are there, and through that you can write down that program, compile that, and you can able to take the screenshot of that. Process will be similar way. Okay. So those who are using PC, they can follow this. Those who are having a mobile or like operating through mobile, they can use run online Java compiler over there. Okay, type your program, compile your program, take the screenshot, and execute it, attach as a in this particular manner, same manner. Procedure is going to be same.
Sir, what about the font size?
That you manage your own. Okay, ideally we prefer 12 pixel over there. Okay, I'm not going in that like a font size and all that. Okay, you manage your own. So as a standard we keep it like a 11 or 12. That is font name, anyone. That is up to you only. Actually, it should be readable. That's it. I would not like to talk on that thing. That you are MSc level students, so you will manage your own. Okay. Okay, that is up to you only. I don't like to involve in that like a font size and the font and all. Only that basic thing I just told you that okay, top of that your roll number and what are the program related like a program. Okay, one more thing like I forgot regarding those who are not having PC. I know like not able to perform that thing. Okay, uh, those students can have the options of handwritten. Okay, you can write down that. Okay, and then submit. Okay, take the screenshot of that or take the photocopy of that, pic of that, and then attach. Okay, that is okay. Okay, so either you can compile through a mobile device, or if you're not able to do that also, then handwritten will do. Okay, but those who are having PC or laptop, please follow, execute that properly. Okay. And if you have group over there, you can have the teamwork and any days you can perform with your friends or something, and you can like you can do that kind of the things also. Okay. So what I will recommend it actually like if you have the friends or someone, let's execute by through teamwork or any days. These are the tools are available through what remotely you can access the VCs and you can able to do that. Okay. Uh, See, Tofik, these networking programs, we are talking like specializations Java only. Okay, because